up.
I can't see it.
Yeah.
So you don't want to tell me your badge number?
That's not what I said. I said I can do it.
So why don't you do it then?
Because I'm going to deal with something else here.
This is why I'm taking video. You said in case what? This is in case. Don't be a stupid cop the next time. I mean, fuck. I mean, you're not going to say your badge number. That is the law.
Why are you calling me stupid?
Why aren't you following the law? You're a cop. Just tell me your badge number, dude. It's not that big of a deal. There you go.
Alright guys, this video was sent to me a while back. As I was emptying out my phone, I found it. I had never shared it. As I looked for this video, I couldn't find it. So if any of you guys find this video, please drop the link for me in the comments. I'll pin it to the top. So a cop doesn't like to get called stupid in this video. Need I say more? Watch the video and like it. Don't forget to subscribe, folks. Here we go.
Hey, can you give me a little more space, man? Back up a few feet.
Sure. We got another cop here. You know what's going on? You guys looking for someone? Who?
No, did you see anything happening here?
No, I just see cops here. I mean, I know this place gets like bad at night sometimes. Did someone get hurt? Yeah?
Well, that's what we're here to find out.
Oh, what was the call for?
Fight?
A fight?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Who's fighting?
I don't know, I just got here. Hello, officer. How you
Hi.
doing? How you doing?
Fine.
Good.
What's going on?
I
Are you
guess
trying
there
to
was a
inject
fight.
yourself into this?
I'm just taking footage in case, you know.
In case what? I don't know.
I mean, you tell me, just in case anything happens.
You say, well, you're the one taking the footage.
Yeah? Oh, what is it?
No, it's not illegal. I
Okay.
never said that. Never implied that. But
Okay.
You think that you know this kid?
No, I don't, but
Considering he's a juvenile, he probably has a little bit of right to privacy. He probably may not want you filming him.
can I film you? If he says I can film him, I can film him.
Yeah. Try doing that in the beginning.
So he's a
Rather than just
juvenile.
assuming.
He's a juvenile, huh? Do you know
Oh, he
him?
looks like a juvenile. No, I don't know him.
What
Do I
makes
know
him look
you?
like a
Do you know
juvenile?
me?
I don't know. I could know you. What's your name and badge number?
My name is Officer Berg. It's right there.
Okay,
You've
badge
got it
number?
on there, and it's right on the other side.
Can you say it for me,
I can.
please?
You can read
Are
it
you
too, right?
refusing?
No, I didn't say I was refusing.
Will you
I said
please
I can
for
say
me?
it.
It's kind of hard to see. It's shiny.
It's not, oh, I shined it up.
I can't see it.
Yeah.
So you don't want to tell me your badge number? Is that
That's
you're
not what I
saying?
said. I said I can do it.
So why don't you do it then? See,
Because
this
I'm
is
going
why
to deal with
taking-
something else
This
here.
is why I'm
Just a
taking
minute.
video.
Because we
You
don't
said
give
in
our
case
badge
what?
number?
This is in
That's never
case.
the case.
Don't be a stupid cop the next time. I mean, fuck. I mean, you're not going to
Why
say
are
your
you
badge
calling me
number.
stupid?
That is the law.
Why are you calling me stupid?
Why aren't you following the law? You're a cop. Just tell me your badge number, dude. It's not that big of a deal.
316.
There you go.
That I was refusing.
Thank
Keep
you,
making
sir.
some sort of assumption or something
Thank
that
you,
I'm
sir.
refusing
I
to do that.
appreciate
And
it.
I said I'm not refusing to do that. I said I can tell you.
I appreciate it, sir. Have a good day.
Do you appreciate it? Because you just called me a stupid cop.
Well, I mean, you were kind of refusing. You walked
No, I
away.
didn't
Asked.
refuse.
You walked
I'm
away.
going to deal
Asked.
with something else because we have business here.
What? Something else. This is the only thing here. They let you go?
Yep.
All right, take care, officers.
Cops earn the hate. Back to blue until it happens to you. These are things that we read in the comment section over and over again. It's stated in their policy that they're supposed to identify when asked by a member of the public. Over and over again, we see officers not wanting to identify. A lot of times they just point to their chest and say, "It's right here." Well, we know it's right there. That's why we're asking, because we can't read it. It's millimeter in size. If it was an elaborate plan for police officers to do what they want, violate people's rights, and get away with it, it was a brilliant plan, folks, because that's exactly what's happening. Police officers don't seem to have empathy with the people, but they expect that support. They use propaganda slogans like Back the Blue, and they need that to garner that support because they lose it every single day. Funny thing is, schools are teaching kids how to abide and obey, but they don't teach kids nothing about their rights. That's why channels like mine are important, because we will teach you that you have rights and we'll teach you how to use them. Subscribe now. Thank you all for tuning in. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.